1940 Farm All A. I think it's a 17 horse, 12 volt. That's all. So a little information in here. There's it's a 4-cylinder. That was my great uncle's friend's tractor.
And they're both actively working, right?
Yeah.
And they both do the pull, or just this one does the pull? Yeah.
Does the pull.
Oh, there you are.
No pads. That's only 2.
Bye, guys.
Bye, Neil. Be good. Have fun. Where's Bill today?
He was here. I don't know. I got the farm.
Back and forth. This tractor here replaced it in 1939. This is a 1940 model, but it replaced it in 39. They had a designer from New York City style it, put shields over the radiator, covered the motor, the gas tank was formed like a bullet shape. Your air filter, close moved from here back in here. Your steering is all, let's say, like all enclosed. Let's see the steering shaft come down here. It's all just like the automobiles back in the late 30s.
Well, this one I actually traded for. I had an old 71 International 444 that I actually swapped out with a gentleman that just finished the restoration on this less than 24 hours ago. So I've owned this since 3 o'clock yesterday. She's a 1950 Farm All C with a couple of additional factory options, including the live hydraulics, a rear belt pulley system, and the extra wide axles. As you can see there, she came with the 7-foot axles instead of the traditional 6. So yeah, I really don't have that much to say about it yet. I'm just starting to learn the machine. She's a good old inline 4 with a 4-speed. And that's about as far as I can get. It was a nut and bolt restoration. The engine was fully rebuilt, just finished this past spring. And fresh paint and decals, as you can see, new rubber. And as far as I know so far, she's correct for her time period, and she purrs like a kitten. So I'm excited to get to know her, and gonna put some cultivators on her and put her to work on the farm. Very, very similar machines. So yeah, no, they're great. They're really great.
Well, this is Gwendolyn. Gwendolyn's a 1948 Farm All Model M. She's got a custom wide front end on it, which was an option. She's got an aftermarket power steering. She came out of Stowe, Vermont, is where I bought her about 6 years ago. And yeah, it was a total wreck. You know, it was pretty bashed in. Since then, it's been all taken apart, painted, and then put back together. And I'm still waiting to put the hood on because the power steering unit is not original, so I have to remanufacture a bracket to put to get the hood to fit correctly. And yeah, I just use it for parades, pulls, Justin's Farm Day. And that's it. And little kids like to sit on it because it's big and red.
Hi, my name's Dave Austin. This is my daughter Sydney. We're up from Rhode Island. This is our 49 Ford 8N tractor. We found out about this through Jason's ad on Craigslist and decided to come up for his first tractor show. It's been a great success from what I can see. Don't really know a whole lot about the tractor yet, seeing that I got it about a week ago. But it seems I've learned a few things from some people that have been here and asking questions, and it's been a great time. Hope to be here next year.
All right.
She's a beauty.
That's John Deere Model B, 1951.
And did you restore it, or was it like this when you bought it?
I helped restore it. It was in our shop.
Now, is there anything different about this one from a stock model, or anything
Yeah,
that?
it's has weights for tractor pulling. It weighs about 5,500 pounds.